I don't give a damn about what people think of me anymore. If you want to judge me, do it. It no longer concerns me. I no longer have to justify who I am, what I do, or the decisions I make. I live my life by my own rules, expressing my thoughts freely without seeking approval. If you don't like it, I respect your opinion, but it makes no difference to me. I'm intrigued by this current trend where people think they have a right to look into other people's lives, demanding explanations as if they were owed something. I'm not here to satisfy such curiosities. Everyone has their own path, and mine is unique to me. Follow for consistent improvement every day, and don't look at my bio because you will change your life like a lot of other people. If you agree with me, write yes in the comments. If not, let us know why your opinion matters to us, and hit that follow button because this account is for you.